Hello, YouTube. Yes, it's Mr. Baldwin once again. Today we are filming in a brand new location known as my wife's kitchen. Yes, the budget has increased, so we are all over the place. Now, today we're going to be talking about positive and negative numbers. These numbers are usually referred to as integers. Integers are a set of numbers and their opposites. So as you can see on the number line with the example in front of you, we have the number 2 and its opposite integer, -2. So once again, please be aware that integers are a set of numbers and their opposites. A number is an opposite when it is the same distance from 0 on the number line. So you can look at 2 and it is the same distance from 0 as -2. And yes, you can count those on your own. I'm not going to do that for you. There are 3 basic things you need to be aware of when you are comparing and looking at integers, which is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to go over the 3 things first, and then I'm going to show you examples that match with each of the 3 things. So first, positive numbers. Yes, that's a number sign, not a pound sign. I know I'm old, but I'm not that old. Positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. That means any positive number will be greater than any negative number. Doesn't matter how small the positive number is. If it is a positive number, it is greater than any negative number. Number 2, 0 is always greater than any negative number. Same thing. 0 is not a positive or a negative number. It is neutral. That means it is greater than every negative number, and it is less than every positive number. It's right in the middle. So whenever you're comparing 0 to a negative number, 0 will always be bigger. And last, the farther a negative number is from 0, the smaller its value. What does that mean? As I move farther left or farther down the number line, I now know that those numbers, those negative numbers, get smaller. What does that mean? If I'm comparing -1 to -2, I know -2 is a smaller value or less than -1. Now let me show you some examples of some of the stuff I was talking about. Positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. So we have +1, which is greater than -55. But Mr. Baldwin, isn't 55 greater than 1? Yeah, +55 is, but not -55. Whenever you're dealing with a positive number, it is always greater than a negative number. Number 2, 0 is always greater than any negative number. So here we have 0. It doesn't matter what number is to the right of 0 when I'm comparing them, because if that number is negative, that means that it is less than 0. So we have 0 is greater than -25. And last, the farther a negative number is from 0, the smaller its value. So here we have -4. And we know -4 is greater than -17. But Mr. Baldwin, isn't 17 bigger than 4? If they were positive numbers, yes. But they're not positive numbers. We're dealing with negative numbers. And when you put those numbers on a number line, those numbers are going to get smaller the farther away from 0 you get. So, I hope this little video was interesting enough to keep you awake for about 4.5 minutes. Again, we were dealing with integers, and I hope this helps anybody who needs it. As always, feel free to drop a message in the comment section, and have a lovely day. Stay safe, be well, and have a great time. Bye-bye now.